Yeah, so every time I felt bad, it's what I turned to. And it did make me feel better, but it just really it got to the point where like it made my life worse instead of making it better. At first it was fun, and then it turned into more of like I need this drug, or else I'm gonna be sad all the time. And I did it again because it's what my friends were doing at the time. I wanted to fit in with them, and that's what they were doing. So I thought it was a good idea to do it too. It was never really a good idea. It was not fun. It was really dangerous, actually. Like, I would completely turn into a different person. Really, I was making horrible decisions thinking, I'm gonna do this and everything's gonna get better. And really, it's just that's what a lot of young kids will do. They'll be depressed and sad or wanna fit in with their friends, and they turn to drugs, and then they don't really realize then, because they're so young, that it's going to affect them in the long run, and it really does. So I learned a lot. I learned that you make dumb choices when you're young. That's really all I've learned, I guess, and that you shouldn't do drugs because it ruins your life. Addiction is way bigger than you. When you're addicted to something, it's not even you anymore. So, completely takes away who you are as a person.